All right, we are going to be practicing comparing digits between these three place values, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So I'm going to start with the number 228. And I want to compare the 2 in my hundreds place value to the 2 in my tens place value. Well, I know that 100 is greater than a 10. I would rather have $100 than have $10 because 100 is more. 100 is greater than 10. So the value of my 2 in my hundreds place value is 10 times more than the value of the 2 in my tens. Let's look at another number, 755. So I have the same digit in my tens and my ones, and I'm going to be comparing my ones to my tens. Well, I know that my ones is less than my tens. I would rather have to walk 1 lap at recess than have to walk 10 laps at recess. So the value of the 5 in my ones place value is 10 times smaller than the value of the 5 in my tens place value. Okay, so this is how you're going to see the questions on the next couple of slides, and I encourage you to make a place value chart like I did on a piece of paper or a whiteboard or whatever you have in front of you that you can write on. So we said that 228, the value of the 2 in the hundreds place is blank the value of the 2 in the tens place. I know that hundreds is more than tens, so the value of the 2 in the hundreds place is 10 times larger than the value of the 2 in the tens place. So that's what you're going to do. You're just going to drag it over. Let's do the other number. 755. I'm comparing the ones place to my tens place. The value of the 5 in the ones place is blank than the 5 in the tens place. Well, we said we would rather walk 1 lap than 10 laps because 1 is smaller. So it's 10 times smaller than the 5 in the tens place. You guys are going to practice doing this on the next couple of slides.